morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Welcome in, welcome in. This is another episode of, you guessed it, The Amazing Spider-Man. I want to thank everybody that has contributed so far to the 100 subscribers that I have so far. You guys are amazing, awesome. See what I did there? You guys are super cool. Let me switch over. Thank you guys so much for everything. You guys are awesome. With that being said, please click, if you haven't so far, the subscribe button, the follow button, the like button, the comment below how cheesy this video is or anything. And let's keep going. Let's keep going to our goal of 150 subscribers. Share, like, follow, you know, you get it. Tell your friends, tell your friends' friends, tell your children's friends, tell your adult friends, tell your sisters, cousins, former roommates, family members, and twice removed roommates that this is an amazing channel, and let's keep it going to 150. I hope you all have your favorite cup of coffee. Cheers! Let's get this party started. Even Gizmo's excited, my cat. Alright.
Something's going down at the Fisk construction site. Gotta remember to check it out.
Alright, let's go to... where the frick are we? Let's get another pigeon. Get pigeons. Get Howard's pigeons. So wait, it said new equipment available. What about the suits? Are these purchasable yet? No, I gotta get base tokens. I gotta get that. These are okay suits. They're not bad. They're cool. Future Foundation Spider-Mans. Whee!
Terrorists are assaulting officers. Shots fired. Officers needed south of house.
It's all over the news. Another battle between Spider-Man and these demon-masked gunmen threatening the lives of New Yorkers. I understand our next caller lives in here. You're on with J. Jonah Jameson.
Yeah, thing is...
Sleep it off.
Man, they're lethal. Ow. Sit down for a minute. I need a break. Whee! Huzzah! It's electric. How about having a grenade back? I don't want that shit. Okay. Yeah. Problem solved.
Maniac, but he loved New York. The demons, though, seems like they just want.
Pidgey.
There's a pigeon. Ah, gotta get him. It is my responsibility to catch that pigeon.
Yeah.
I can't believe
Da-da-da-da. Mine. Got him. Yeah. Keep forgetting that stupid button. Okay. Shoo. Oop. I invaded their party. My bad.
Aunt May's recipe for wheat cakes. I could never make it work on my own.
Gotta love them wheat cakes. Spider roll.
Attention units, we've got a 10-10 possible narcotics sale. Location
Good
is
lord.
south of Houston.
So much crime, so little time. Du-du-du-du. Squeak. Oh.
Used these electrician's gloves in my first fight with Electro. Gave me the idea to add insulation to my costume, which saved my bacon more than once.
His bacon more than once. Nice. Let's check that one. Okay. Hello, fellas.
Aw, you guys are like little kingpins in training. So cute!
Down you go. Huzzah. Ow, I dodged. Ow.
Knocking the ever-loving stuffing out of dealers is my anti-drug.
Hey, he's just sticking around, isn't
Probably
he?
better if I'm not here when the cops arrive.
Speaking of which, where are we going? Yeah. Actually, I probably should do the base token so I can get more suits. Which suits you? Whee! Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da.
Gentlemen, that is not how an ATM works. That's not even an ATM.
Ow. Bam.
Let's kick it up a notch. Welcome to the air show.
Boom. Okay.
Demons seem to be gearing up for something big.
Another low-information Spider fanboy tried to troll me, as the young people say. by claiming
Troll
Spider-Man
me.
was providing a public service, plugging leaks in water towers. Let me tell you why this itsy-bitsy brain spider was climbing this particular...
Yuri, this construction site's about as legit as the watches they sell in Times Square.
I don't have evidence for a warrant. You go in, you're on your own.
What else is new?
Damn! I'll blow him to pieces. Hey, I got Spider-Man! How's he doing that? I can't reach him! Show me what you got!
Ow.
Come on! That's not fair! I'll shut your mouth permanent! Enough! If I was you, I'd run. Back down here!
Boom.
I'll teach you some respect. Don't let him get you airborne.
Stick around.
Crap, get it off. Boss is sick and tired of you.
Well, I'm sick and tired of your boss.
Somebody shoot him down.
Oh.
Knock him down. Get down.
Ow. Okay.
Smoke him. Bring him down already. We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't care. Got lucky. Ow, no!
You guys are
Night-night.
late. Don't worry, I got plenty of face kicks left.
This will have our ass if we don't take it.
Oh.
Oh, you finally decide to pack up and run? Keep him on the ground. Bring him down already. Your head.
Where you going?
Hit him in the air. He can't take us all.
Really? More
Where you going?
guys?
Night-night.
I don't have this many friends.
Stay away from his web. We can't let him beat us.
Spider-Man, I checked records and that site's been getting deliveries from cartel front companies.
They're moving drugs, huh? Not for long.
I'm gonna blow your brains out. Don't do that twice. Boss is sick and tired of you.
I totally missed.
You want some? Come on! That's not fair! Let him win!
Oh, great, more of them. Guys, Fisk isn't here. You could have just bailed.
You could have just bailed. Anybody else?
I'll rock you! Why won't you die?
Dying is not my forte. Oh, okay.
The hell?
Wow.
I'm an ass kicking. Get down here and fight like a man.
Reinforcements again? This is only acceptable if you're all showing up in clown cars.
Not a chance in hell, buddy.
How about you hang around?
Not fair. Push your head. Fire in the hole. That's right.
Oh.
You're fine. Get down here and fight like a man. You're gonna have a bad day.
Huzzah.
Whoever shut the hell up!
Ooh. I didn't say nothing. Guys is kind of just hanging around down there. Or up there.
The hell is this crap? It's the entry.
Yep.
Yuri, I got a bunch of incapacitated criminals and designer narcotics all wrapped up and waiting for you.
Got him.
Great, I'll just consider this an anonymous tip.
Phew, thank goodness. Da, 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 da.
This is one of Mom's earliest projects. We were trying to develop a bacteria that would dissolve all the plastic in the oceans.
That's pretty cool.
But well, she ran out of time. Like, if you have any ideas, it would really mean a lot.
With some genetic tweaking, I might be able to crack it. But I need a better equipped lab. And the bacteria only lives in liquid environments.
Liquid.
My web fluid.
Yeah.
I can keep the bacteria alive in my web cartridge. ESU should have the chemicals I need to increase its power. Oh man, the bacteria dissolved my web. It's in the cartridge for the webs I swing from. The other kind should be okay. Now
Hey,
I have
look.
to get to ESU without swinging from anything.
Does anybody think this is a familiar area?
Zipline webs seem fine.
Who you gonna call?
Well, I'm getting a heck of a workout.
This is Hook and Ladder 8, ladies and gents.
I don't know how long this bacteria is viable.
Ghostbusters!
This is good practice for if my web shooters ever malfunction. Okay. By law, they have to dispose of their chemicals in these containers. Should be some stuff I can use. All set. Now I have to get to Dr. Octavius's lab to combine everything. I'd just take the subway, but the bacteria won't survive that long.
Whee! I didn't even do nothing. Parkour, 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 parkour. Parkour. In we go. Inside, outside, living the
Okay, now I just need to grab the bonding agent.
You're a bonding agent. Da 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 da. Open sesame. Would have been sucky if he was locked out. Bacteria buddies. While we're in here.
Peter. Oh, Peter. Don't even know why I'm bothering to record this. Norman has neutered us, and soon the lab will be out of funds. We were on the verge of such great things. If we had just a bit more time and money, I know all the ideas in our heads would have come pouring. Wait. Ideas in our heads. My God, Peter, that's it!
And now the industrial centrifuge that'll get the bacteria out of my web fluid so I can store it properly.
Here we go. Unknown substance found.
Just need to isolate the bacteria.
Can't remember how to do this one. Oh. Negative. And then this one. This one. Cha-ching. Got it.
Beautiful. I think I improved the bacteria. But I can only tell for sure back at Harry's research station.
Okay. We got a lot to learn there. Alright, what else we got? Guess we just exit the lab for now. Exiting the lab. The lab.
Should have my web swinging back. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about. I hope this works. I remember when Harry's mom started the project. It meant so much to them both. There's the testing receptacle, full of plastic. Let's see what happens. It's working. Not as fast as I'd hoped, but better than before. Probably needs further testing.
Nice.
It didn't get all the plastic, but it's a big step forward. Enough for Oscorp to keep working on it. They'd win the Nobel Prize. And it wouldn't hurt their stock price either.
Oh.
Like fish in a barrel.
What do we got at Fisk Towers? Consolidated shipping.
Consolidated shipping. Jeff, I'm here.
What do you see?
Find the rest. The boss wants them dead.
Looks like the demons are moving in on Fisk's territory.
You got this?
I got this. Nap time.
How about you go sleepy sleep?
You got what you came for. You don't need to kill us too.
Fisk's territory is ours now.
Not today.
That's pretty dope.
Hey, Willie.
You.
Nice jumpsuit. Slimming.
Stay out of my business.
Wait, the demons. Who's their leader?
Keep my men alive and maybe I'll tell you.
Oh boy.
Saving bad guys from other bad guys. Not how I thought today would go.
Oh my god, missing everywhere. Yeah. And boom. And down you go.
You two stay here. Wait for the police. Stay back! Stay back! Well, I got their attention. Better swing around the outside to look for Fisk's men.
Oh. Ow. Damn.
I could have taken him.
Sure. Gotta find the survivors fast. Sleep it off.
Nice. 。
Nice. 。
Nice. 。
Nice. 。
Nice. 。 .
。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。
Nice. 。 . Not nice. Oh, jeez.
Hey, big guy.
Ow. Hang around.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
Fisk, your men are safe. Your turn. Who runs the demons?
Maybe you.
Hello again.
Oh, jeez. Oof. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, come on.
Today's just not my day.
No, 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 no!
Oh, shit. Oof. Oh boy, oh boy. And A. And A. Whew. And A. Whew. And B. Ooh.
Did that just happen? Yeah.
I'm getting reports of a helicopter with a wrecking ball.
Yeah, things with the demons got complicated. Sit tight, Yuri. I got this. Please, let me have this.
Come on.
Whoa, rockets!
That helicopter is destroying the city.
I know.
You need to bring it down.
I know.
Maybe you could superhero a little faster?
Working on it, Yuri. Call you when it's done.
Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Ooh.
Now's my chance.
Did the thing. What the thing. What the thing. Oh boy, oh boy. Ooh.
Hope I live to regret this.
Ooh, and
Hi,
boom.
is this the flight to Newark? Afraid I have to ask you to pull over the helicopter, sir. This is your master plan? Replace Fisk?
Kidding!
I need to disable the helicopter's engines. One engine down. Now for the second.
Go. Ooh.
Need to disable the second engine.
Working on it. There we go. Going down.
Need a plan. Need a plan real fast.
Yeah.
I guess this is the plan.
We. Ooh.
Come on, Pete. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. Please don't screw this up.
Ooh.
These masks are so awesome. Where do you get them?
Oh, it's stalling!
Cool, thanks. Do they have a website?
Yes!
Whoops.
Whoops.
Hey, Yuri. I caught the bad guys, but
But what?
you might want to bring a ladder.
Yo, Miles. Hey, fanboy.
Oh, crap. I'm late.
You coming?
Nah, I gotta get to City Hall for my dad's ceremony.
All right. Tell your pops I said congrats.
Noise. And enter Miles Morales.
MJ, did they start the ceremony yet?
They're still setting up. Where are you?
Got hung up at work. Be there soon.
Ooh. Oh, I can afford a suit now. That's cool. Makes suit temporarily bulletproof against all enemies, even snipers. That's dope. Ooh. Oh, I'm up. Okay, so increase the amount of you are healed from focus. Dig it. Yeah. Nice. Oh jeez.
RPG to wake you up.
Where'd they be at? Oh, there they are. Oh my god, that's a lot of people. Ow. Ow. Boom.
I feel like there are better ways to spend your life than shooting rockets at dudes in spandex.
Agreed. Okay, let's switch suits. I don't like that suit. I like that one. Da-da-da-da.
All units, police are engaged in an active shootout with demons. Officers needed near Kips Bay.
Officers, pull your wounded back. I'll handle this. That's
Crime
it.
thwarted.
Everyone okay? Demons fight like men possessed.
Oh, I hit the wrong thing. All right. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for chilling with me today. I appreciate you all. Until next time, make sure you, like I said before, click that like button, the notification button for sure to let you know that this episode or another episode of Spider-Man's coming out. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 150 subscribers. Until next time, ta-ta, bye then. Bye-bye.